We bought an old home, over 100 years old, and the kitchen was very dated. It had red and white, old appliances, and very unappealing, but I saw the potential, and I asked Linnea if she'd be willing to help me.
When I first saw Chantal's kitchen, I felt like this space is not using its full capacity. The kitchen is about 10 by 15 feet, and we wanted to basically maximize the space for Chantal. We need to put an island in here, we need to have some more counter surface to work on, we need more storage. Also, the west wall of the kitchen was totally empty and there was nothing there for storage or counter surfaces, so we wanted to utilize that too. I noticed that there was a chimney stack hidden into the west wall of the kitchen. Right away I knew that I needed to hide that in some way because there's no way that I can remove it. I added basically a pantry wall. The cabinets that are right in front of the chimney are actually shallow, and then just to the right of it we have a full deep pantry with pull-out storage.
My favorite detail is definitely the island, and I'm happy I don't have the sink in the island, which I know is a common feature, but I really didn't want my messy dishes mixing in with entertaining people. And also the rustic features of the shelving. It's from a 100-year-old barn outside of Ottawa, and I really like that. It brings old charm with modern features.
My favorite aspects of the kitchen is the open shelving. She wanted to have dark base cabinets, she was open to lighter uppers. The servery has some beautiful built-in shelves with a full tile backsplash. Another thing is obviously the open shelves around the stove. Bringing some of the warm elements into the kitchen gives a little bit more natural feeling to it.
I have a lot of storage. Everything has a place now, which I love, and I'm very organized, so everything goes in a specific spot now, which is very easy.
I'm actually thrilled with how the final result of this kitchen turned out. It turned out exactly how we had envisioned it.
I'm definitely very happy with the kitchen. I love the closed kitchen where I can be by myself and cook. There's more space now and I can actually enjoy the process. This is my dream kitchen. Yay! And it's like now I want to do more kitchens. I'm like into kitchens.
Let's do more work together.
Yeah, exactly.